Okay, so now we're going to combine structures with functions, and we're going to pass a structure variable to one function, and one of them we do it by reference, and to another one as a constant reference. And as a reminder, passing by reference just means that you pass it the starting address of whatever variable or structure you send it, not all the information in it yourself. You pass it by reference, since passing by value means that you have to pass the complete structure to the function, and passing by reference just sends the memory address where the function starts. If you don't want the receiving function to change anything about the structure, you pass it by constant reference, and you can see that on line 20. So over here we have a structure called inventory item, and it has 4 parts to it. It has an integer for the part number, then a string for the description, an integer for the units on hand, and a double for the price. Some function prototypes here. You see that both of them are void functions, and that's because we're passing this inventory item by reference, and you see that over here too. Now the name over here, show item, clearly indicates that you don't want to change anything, so you can pass this as constant reference. As opposed to this, you want things to change. You send it this inventory item, and you want to add part numbers, description, the on hand, and the price over here. Main function is very simple. We declare a part of the structure inventory item, and then over here get item data. You see that now we also have to give it a name, so we can refer to this particular structure over here with the item dot notation, and you see that over here. Again, we're not returning anything because now it's permanently stored in that inventory item part over here that we have sent to the function get item data. So we enter the part number, an integer. Since we have some problems following integers with strings, we also have to use the cin get over here, so we get rid of the null line character in the input buffer. And then over here we use get line, so we can actually do a full description with some spaces in it. Number of items on hand, and then over here the item price. And for show item, we just send it this item of the inventory item structure type. Again, we send it as a constant because we're not changing anything. We use 2 decimals over here. And again, we refer to that item over here with the item dot notation, and we can show the part number, the description, the on hand, and the price. So let's run this program. Part number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Part description, a very useful widget. Quantity on hand will say that we have 5 of them, and they're kind of expensive, 123.45. So you see that all the elements are properly displayed here.